despite your first aid kit and your land navigation kit being preventatives, there still is a possibility that you're going to be injured to the point to where you can't fix it and get out, or you're going to be lost to the point to where you can't navigate your way out and you're stuck. That's when your emergency signals come in. For your emergency signals, what I like to have is active and passive for both day and night. Typical emergency signal kit should have a signal mirror in it. Mine's on my compass. If you choose to use something like a simple base plate compass instead of the mirror compass, then you would want to put a mirror in your kit. Some sort of signal panel. This is just a 12 by 12. This is a parachute nylon signal panel. I use this as a waypoint marker in my navigation kit also. If you don't have something like the GB2 haversack, which has the orange panel on the back, that orange panel is meant to be used to signal your partner while you're doing land navigation, but it can also be used as a passive emergency signal. So if you have that haversack, you don't need another panel. But if you don't have that option on your haversack, then having a signal panel in your emergency signal kit is a good idea. So those are kind of your daytime signals. For nighttime, having a headlamp and some extra batteries. It's not just for an emergency nighttime signal, but also so you can handle tasks and provide for your needs at night.